guys, Dassahmariee here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a very special one. One I'm super excited about is going to be a MacBook Pro review. You guys, I'm super excited. My husband surprised me for early Valentine's gift. I actually told him I wanted to get a MacBook Pro for Valentine's Day. I was said it in like a joking way, but he actually surprised me and was like, come on, let's go get one today. So super excited. I got one, so let's go ahead and get into the video. So this is my MacBook Pro 13-inch right here. It is in the silver, as you guys can see, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it. You guys see it? Here it is. And I just have it on my YouTube channel, youtube.com/Dassahmariee. And you guys, the resolution is amazing. The Apple emblem lights up. And you guys, this computer is super fast. You guys, the quality is amazing. I've been watching videos in 1080. It's so much better. I switched from my HP Stream 14 in smoke gray, and this is my first MacBook ever. I've always wanted a MacBook for as long as I can remember, so I'm super happy I finally have one. Thank you very much. Super excited. So what I love about this MacBook is it does light up. The light that brightens up, and I love like the keyboard. It has a, I don't know if you guys can see it, the light actually lights up in the keyboard. I thought that was like super cool, and you can put the light up or down if you guys want the light on or off. I usually keep the light off just because I really don't need it on all the time. So that was like super cool. So I do have it like in 15-inch, but just got the 13-inch one right here, and you guys, I'm absolutely in love. I just am so happy that I got to upgrade. This is a charger that it came with. It looks like this, and the chargers are really interesting. It's like magnetic when you plug it in, so that was like something new. I've only ever had like Toshiba's, HP's, Dell's. Like I said, this is my first ever MacBook, so the speed is like amazing. The resolution super clear. I don't have a case for it yet. I just barely got it yesterday, you guys. So I did order a case. It's the glitter pink one. I'll insert it right here so you guys can see which one. I'll probably do another video once I get it and show you guys it with the case on everything, because you guys, I already scratched it yesterday. You guys, like, I'm super like accident prone. My last laptop, like I literally was at a point in time where I would get like a new laptop like every couple of months because I would just break them. But you guys know that Apple and MacBook is like made very great quality, so I know this will last me like a long time. But I definitely want to get a case like ASAP because I'm not trying to drop it or mess it up or anything. I basically scratched it with like the zipper on my living room pillow, and I was so mad. I can't believe I did that, but it's not even noticeable. I don't even know if you guys can tell the scratch on camera. Probably not. It's very small, but I can't wait to get the case. Like I said, I love the quality, everything about that. I'll show you guys the home page, and I already was doing iMessage. I FaceTime Nevaeh. I just love it. It's literally like an iPhone in laptop form. I already have my background, as you guys can see, is San Francisco. I absolutely love San Francisco. I just think it's beautiful. The bridge, the city lights, everything. So I put that as my desktop background. The thing is so different. I'm not used to having all the apps at the bottom versus like on the actual desktop, so I had to get used to this. I love that it has like photo booth in it. Me and Nevaeh play with that on our iPad all the time. Photo booth, you know, the app store. I literally was having so much fun with like Siri, talking to Siri on here. I couldn't believe that it had that, which I thought was pretty cool. But yeah, I'm getting used to, oh, there goes Siri. I signed into my iCloud on it, so it's connected to my phone. I have my phone, the laptop, and my daughter's iPad connected to my iCloud, so I'm getting used to all the apps and everything. I just want to give a big shout out to my husband. Thank you so much. I definitely wanted a better computer to do better editing, really step up my YouTube game, better editing, better resolution, better footage, all that kind of stuff, you guys. I'm super excited. What I do like about this laptop as well is it does have a CD-ROM, and I think a DVD-ROM. My last two computers, my HP and my Dell, did not have a CD-ROM, so that was like, it sucked because the computers I had before that was the Toshiba, so I was used to having CD, but my last two I did not have one, so I was super happy to get my CD-ROM back. So excited to be able to use that. And I'm just like really excited for this. This was basically just like a show and tell, you guys. I just was so excited I had to come and make this video. So if you guys enjoyed this little talk through and show and tell, make sure to subscribe and thumbs up. I will be back once I get my laptop case. I cannot wait for new videos, new year, who dis? No, I'm just kidding. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.